So this is the Blink Outdoor Floodlight battery-powered LED floodlight camera. This is going to give you long-lasting battery because it uses batteries, weather-resistant, day and night HD view, two-way audio, motion detection, and the floodlights produce 700 lumens. You're going to be using it with the Blink app, which is going to be giving that higher beam. And this is what we call security. This is for your security. And here is what you get inside the box. This is what the Blink looks like. Now let's look at let's actually take it out. Let's take it out. So let's take this out. So here is your mounting plate. So this is how you mount it. And this is why installation is so straightforward and easy. You take this and then you mount this against your outdoor wall. They give you another mounting plate in case you have to mount it on something different, like a different material. And then you just clip it in. There's no wires to attach into some type of electrical box. You don't need to run power cords to it. And this is the actual floodlight system. It comes with a Blink Outdoor Camera. It comes with a Blink Outdoor Camera shell along with batteries for your Blink Outdoor Camera. It comes with a charging port so you can charge your Blink Outdoor. And it comes with, in this setup, you'll be getting the sync module. You get a sync module. So this is the sync module. This is where you're going to record everything remotely. So let's show you exactly what you're getting. So I'll show you how this works here. So here are your cameras, and this has some heft. This has some heft to it. This is pretty heavy duty, right? This is pretty heavy duty. Use it in combination with the sync module, and then you have a active floodlight system that's going to be easy to set up, always working there. That runs on D batteries for a year. Your camera runs 2 years, and then you get all the recording done on the remote sync module that comes inside the box. And then you don't need a sync module for your doorbell because then you can use the same one, or for another outdoor cam, you can just use it for the same one. So let's answer everyone's question about the Blink right now. If you have the Blink Outdoor Camera and you want to have a live view of it, you will be required to have the subscription unless you have it grandfathered in Sync Module 2. However, you can record all your data onto the Sync Module 2 using the USB. So that's local storage for free. So I just want to make sure that there is an option to have free local storage that you can check on. You just won't have a lifetime fee. And let me walk you through the easy installation of your Blink Floodlight camera, because this is one of the easiest floodlight cameras you'll ever install. All you gotta do is connect it to your wall. Open that up. It's going to be using D batteries, right? You got your D batteries here. So how you set this up is you place your D batteries in. So you got one D battery, fourth D battery. You're going to be putting on your top here. Once I power it up, you'll see that the lights are going to be starting to come on, right? You guys can see that the lights are coming on. You clip this in. You're going to be putting on the back plate. So we're going to realign this. So you realign it, and then you just lock it into place. Now we are back locked. I have this. So this is a mounting plate. This is a mounting plate. And this mounting plate, you just really have to put 3 screws, right? You got 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 2, 3. Those 3 screws are going to be placing your position on your wall right here on your board. So you place that, just screw them in. So how you install this is you want to figure out where your best location is going to be, because the camera is automatically going to be set on itself. So the camera, because the camera is wireless, the only thing that this controls, the spotlight controls, is going to be the connection to your camera so that it will automatically turn on when your camera senses motion. So the motion is actually part of the camera. So we're going to place so the easiest way to do that is just to figure out where you want it to go. Right? So I'm going to line that up. They give you a template in the box. I'm not going to be using a template. And this lines up this way. So open this way, and it'll just clip in. Boom, locking in. Just showing you how easy this can be done. So now that I've added this, watch how simple this is. The entire installation of your Blink is complete. All you need to do, and I'll remove this just to not confuse anyone. I'll remove this, is now just you line it up, and then you insert it. And it'll clip in. It clips in. So now I've just finished installing the Blink. Okay, now that we've attached the water seal, we're going to be attaching it now to our base. And boom. It's fully set up, guys. So Blink provides you with a silicone cover for your camera. So you can just insert this on and it's going to make it uniform in terms of its color. You might be wondering, why do I have a black Blink outdoor camera attached, but everything else is white? Because they give you a silicone cover that makes it a little bit even more waterproof. So this is what it looks like when you have the entire camera set up. I'm going to activate and arm its motion detection. And there we have the motion detection on. Every time it detects motion in our Blink Studio, these lights are going to be turning on. So you can have this same type of situation outdoors, where you can have this on your garage, you can have this on your deck, your patio, your windows, and it's going to light up that dark area so you can see exactly what's happening. And it looks really good, right? Because once you put that white cover on, it's really sweet. I mean, look how well it lights up our Boba Fett here. So when you have your Blink camera, you're going to be having the ability to have light activation by motion, auto shut off timer, light brightness, so you can control the light brightness. You have a daylight mode, and that daylight mode is going to enable this to activate the light by motion when there is light outside. And it has a timer, so it's not going to just after 15 seconds. So I have it set on 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, it's going to turn on, and then you have to wait another 10 or 15 seconds for it to rearm and turn itself back on. You can make that last longer, but I find this just makes sure that your battery life is going to be lengthened while you get to see everything that's happening outdoors. So this is the Blink Outdoor Floodlights. They're really cool. They don't take a lot of battery. It's easy to use. They pair seamlessly and it looks great. So battery powered is, in my opinion, the way to go. Thanks guys, we'll catch you next time. This is David from the French Glow signing off. We'll catch you next time. Bye.